Hello there, today I am going to show about another extension is called LastPass. So LastPass is a browser extension that generates stores and fills in password when you log in. So this is what about I'm talking. It is the site, like I have already made a extension, so here you can see also how we can use this. Like LastPass is a thing by which we can remember our password, like without writing. You won't believe that without many of people use LastPass for to get use less users. Okay, so it is the icon of it and you gotta log in. If you don't have, then you gotta create an account stage. So I am logging it. Eh, so if you are using your own personal computer or laptop or PC, then you should be click these things. But if your PC is not personal, then I will suggest you to do this check button click. So logging in. So unfortunately I have made a wrong password. Anyways, so that's not a big deal, and by it you can do remember password by clicking it. So like improve your online security and save time with LastPass, the password manager that remembers all your passwords, so you don't have to write the same password again and again. So this is how it works, and thanks for watching.